Hey honeys, it's Ams and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make your own Easter wreath, and I will have all the supplies listed below. So please check that out. First, I take the end of the loop yarn and I tie a knot around the wreath frame just to secure it in place. You want to make sure that your yarn is unraveled and detangled before you start your wrapping process. Now you're just going to start wrapping the loop yarn around the wreath frame. Very simple, like the way I'm doing it. We're not going to make it complicated. Just make sure you wrap it extra tight. I chose this yarn because I felt like it mimicked the fur of a bunny in a way, and also I wanted it to give my wreath more of a 3D effect, like the fur is kind of coming off of the wreath frame.
Round two.
I wish I would have had a better camera angle so I could have showed you guys from the top looking down upon the wreath, but you know, it's cool. But you can see that it's starting to come together, looking more like fur. And I'm going to wrap majority of this off of camera because it takes about 15 minutes. Depends on how fast you wrap. So you will need about 1.5 to 2 bundles to complete this project, and when you get to the end, just tie it off. Okay, great. It is starting to come along and it looks so good, and yeah, we're halfway done. Now that I'm finished wrapping the wreath frame, I am tying it off, and I'm actually double knotting it this time.
Round two.
Feel free to cut this loose end, or you can wrap it around the frame. But we are finished with that part, and I hope you guys like how it looks so far. Moving on to the bow, I have two different types of ribbon. One is more sheer, the other is plaid, but they are both wired edged. I'm actually making two different bows and I'm going to combine them together. I already have my cardboard that's measured off at 11 inches, and I am wrapping the ribbon around about 5 to 6 times. I promise you, I don't know what it was, but I was having a struggle with my ribbon. I could not keep it straight. It just wanted to keep twisting and turning on me.
Round two.
Now I'm just folding it in half and cutting small triangles on the edges. This just makes it easier for me to add either a pipe cleaner or a zip tie, and yeah, make the bow, secure it.
Round one. Fight.
actually already made the other bow off camera, and I'm going to use a pipe cleaner to combine both of the bows together. Now that both bows are securely put together, you can start to fluff the bows out.
Round 2.
Okay, next, just go ahead and tie the pipe cleaner right in that center area. It's like between the face, between the body of the bunny. And this is just gonna make it look like the bunny has on a bow tie. The ribbon is already fluffed out, but now we want to intermingle the ribbons together, so it'll make it more pretty and fluffy. Off camera, I went ahead and cut the bouquet into individual pieces so the leaves and flowers and eggs are all separated from each other. Now I'm taking the pipe cleaner and wrapping it right there in the center beside like the ends of where that bow is tied. And this is going to help secure the leaves and the flower ends in place. Just want to show you guys right quick, I left it loose enough to have a little loop to put the ends of the leaves and the flowers. Feel free to place these wherever you want. I like the leaves to kind of just be spread out, and I'm going to come in with the flowers and fill in those gaps, and then I'll put the eggs right there in between where the leaves and the flowers are. I love adding the leaves and the different flowers because it just reminds you so much of springtime. I mean, I think it's the perfect bouquet. I love this bouquet from Hobby Lobby because I really thought I was going to have to make my own. It became a little bit harder to tie those ends around that pipe cleaner because I added so many different stems, but it wasn't too bad. After adding the last flower, then I'm going to go ahead and hot glue the center so everything could stay down, because when I add my Easter eggs and carrots, I don't want anything to move at all.
Round 1. Fight!
I'm just showing you how I make my hook to hang this wreath. So I'm just tying the pipe cleaner right there at the top of the head in between the ears. Now I'm just twisting the ends of the pipe cleaners together to make it a loop. Since this is such a light wreath, you shouldn't have any issues with this loop coming apart. It should be able to hold it. I always like my bows to pop, so I'm just fluffing the ribbon, but also I want the carrots to be seen, so I'm just arranging it around those. I noticed that some of my loops were just mushed down, so I wanted to just play with them a little bit and bring them upward. I hope you all enjoyed this DIY, and if you do try this, please tag me or Trendy Craftings on Instagram. So thank you so much for watching.